Claude Code MCP safety has 3 separate gates. First, decide which server configurations load. Then decide which tools remain available to the model. Finally, decide which calls may execute without a prompt. Treating these as one switch creates accidental privilege, especially when a server exposes both read operations and state-changing actions. Permission rules use canonical names shaped as MCP, _server, _tool. A rule for an entire named server can cover every tool it publishes. Prefer the exact tool name, or a tightly bounded prefix such as the read operations from one server, when the workflow needs only a subset. The allowedTools flag means a matching call can run without asking. It does not create a complete capability allow list. The tools flag restricts built-in tools but does not affect MCP tools. To remove all MCP tools from context, use a deny rule for the MCP wildcard, then enable only the configured surface your automation truly needs through the appropriate policy layer. Claude Code evaluates permission outcomes in deny, then ask, then allow order. A broad deny cannot contain a narrower allow exception, and a matching ask rule still prompts even when an allow rule also matches. Design broad exclusions first, then separate each trust zone instead of relying on specificity to undo a stronger rule. For non-interactive automation, pass an explicit MCP configuration and use strict-mcp-config when the job must ignore every other discovered server source. Choose setting sources deliberately, because project configuration, workspace trust, hooks, and .mcp files can change startup behavior. Test untrusted repositories with a minimal or bare setup before enabling project-supplied integrations. Before a real task, list the loaded servers and canonical tool names. Run one harmless read-only call. Confirm that a write-capable tool either remains absent, is denied, or still prompts exactly as intended. Capture the MCP configuration, permission rule, attempted call, and observed result. Least privilege is proven by runtime behavior, not by a reassuring settings file.